Ever wondered how people are using AI to write content, answer questions, and even make money? Hello, guys. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT, step by step, even if you're a total beginner. Number 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It can answer questions, write stories, help with schoolwork, generate ideas, code apps, and even write YouTube scripts, just like this one. Number 2. How to access it. To use it, just go to Chat, OpenAI.com, sign up with your email, and log in. It works on your phone, tablet, or computer. No download needed. Number 3. How to use it. VoiceOver. Once you're in, just type a question or a task. For example, write a bedtime story about a robot, or explain quantum physics in simple words. ChatGPT will instantly generate a smart, human-like response. Number 4. Pro Tips. Pro tip number 1. Be specific with your prompts. Instead of saying, "Help me with homework," try "Explain the water cycle for a 5th grader." Pro tip number 2. Ask it to rephrase, shorten, or improve anything. Emails, essays, or even jokes. Number 5. What you can use it for. You can use ChatGPT for writing blogs, generating content ideas, learning new skills, creating social media captions, coding help, and even making money online. That's it. You're now ready to use ChatGPT like a pro. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a video on how to make money with ChatGPT.